touch on current snow depth here in West Michigan, and there's still a lot on the ground, but we're going to see that wash away as warmer air moves in. But also keep in mind a little bit of the snow that melted today. Well, it may refreeze tonight and for the next couple of hours, as we have a lot of temperatures that are now at or slightly below freezing from I-94 in parts of the state line all the way to the north, where snow is mixing in parts of Mecosta, Newaygo, and Oceana County. But the majority of this, that pink, the purple is a little sleet. The pink, though, that's the freezing rain, and that's been a concern here. We've seen reports of 4 crashes on US 131. We're thinking that some of those are related to this glaze that is set up, because a lot of cars out in the Fox 17 station, well, if they've been sitting for a while, been able to form that layer of ice. Ones that were driven a little more recently, the warmth from the engine allowed that to just stick as rain. But wet roadways, definitely the potential for some slick spots here. It's registering as freezing rain at the airport, 32 degrees, and the wind out of the east, 10 to 15 miles per hour. But we are 20 degrees warmer at this time than we were 24 hours ago. But we're still dealing with mixed precipitation conditions. This was 131 Hall Street, where one of the first crashes had come in. Notice this shine on the roadways. Again, watch for not only wet pavement, but potential slick spots here as that freezing rain continues. A closer look. Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana County, it's more of a snow/sleet, but you go Grand Rapids, Ravenna, off towards the south, even Ionia now, and down to Kalamazoo, and some of these darker pink bands, definitely some more consistent freezing rain. So we are going to see some level of measurable freezing rain, especially along 131, parts of 94 and 96 as well. We'll roll you through future track with the temperatures overlaid. 31 in Grand Rapids at 1 a.m. That means that a lot of that rain falling could still be freezing rain, and with how cold the ground is, especially on 96 to the north, it's able to form that layer. Down near Kalamazoo, temperatures expected to be above freezing in the next couple of hours, and we should see significant improvements in through the morning hours. I think by sunrise, we're going to be in the clear for most of us in terms of new freezing rain. There may still be a few slick spots as that layer of ice that could form will continue to wash away. But for Sunday afternoon, temperatures are going to get back into low 40s, and we'll see some rain as well. So here's a look at the future ice. Again, most of the rest of the accumulations will be north of 96 or east of US 131. I think Hastings Battle Creek still a little bit of a concern. So here's the 2-day forecast. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll have highs in the low 40s. And then for Monday, we're going to have highs near 50 with some light rain once again. Both days will have some measurable rainfall, but with how warm it's going to be, expect a lot of the snow to melt. We should see it all really, I would say, gone by the time we get to midday Monday, maybe Monday night. Little precip Wednesday, but a fairly quiet midweek, as Friday and Saturday we see the chance for a little bit of precipitation here in West Michigan. So here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures above freezing for 2 days and 2 nights.